Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to remove the cylinder head on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Mark the head nuts 1 through 6 to follow a consistent crisscross pattern. Remove the spark plug. Loosen the cylinder head nuts 1/4 turn at a time to avoid head warp, with as many passes as you need. You may need to hose your head nuts down with penetrating oil. Remove the nuts and seal washers. Lift the cylinder head off the cylinder, followed by the O-rings. Set your cylinder head aside and set the old O-rings in the trash. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.